In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a class in Google Classroom. Navigating through our digital tools for education has never been more critical, with educators worldwide striving to create the most engaging and effective learning environment. Google Classroom stands out as a game changer in this domain, allowing teachers to organize assignments, enhance collaboration, and facilitate communication. But what happens when you need to duplicate a class setup you've meticulously created, saving precious time and effort? That's what we're diving into today. First things first, let's get you logged into Google. Head over to google.com from your preferred web browser. You'll notice a sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on it. This is your gateway to all Google services, including Classroom. If you're already signed in, you should see your Google account icon in the same spot. Next up, choose your Google account from the list provided, assuming you have more than one. This should be the one associated with your Google Classroom. With your account selected, it's time to input your password. Remember, your Google account password is your key to accessing not just Classroom, but all Google services. So keep it secure. Once you've entered your password, click on Next to proceed. You're getting closer to the Classroom doors now. After successfully signing in, locate the Google Apps menu, symbolized by a grid of dots located at the top right corner of your screen, near your account icon. Clicking this will unveil a treasure trove of Google services. Among these, you'll find Google Classroom. Select it to move forward. Now that you're in Google Classroom, it's time to focus on the class you wish to duplicate. Find the classroom you're looking to copy, and you'll notice three vertical dots, often referred to as the More button, on the right side of your specific classroom section. This little button holds the power to a variety of options, one of which is the Copy function. Click those three dots. Upon clicking, a new menu will appear, and within it the option marked Copy. This is your ticket to simplifying your classroom setup process. Choose Copy to initiate the duplication. We're not just making a carbon copy here, this is your chance to tailor the new class. A window will pop up prompting you to fill in the details for your new class, things like class name, section, and any other pertinent information. This step is crucial for organizational purposes and ensuring that your new classroom is easily distinguishable from the original, especially if you're managing multiple classes. Filled everything in? Great. Now the final step is simply to confirm your action. Look for a Copy button at the bottom of this setup window. Clicking this not only confirms your intent, but also initiates the copy process. Google Classroom will work its magic, creating a new class with your specified details, mirroring the setup of the original class you've chosen to copy. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated a class in Google Classroom, streamlining your workflow and maximizing efficiency. This feature is especially handy for educators teaching multiple sections of the same course, or who wish to retain a successful class structure for future sessions. With this newfound knowledge, you're all set to optimize your Google Classroom experience, saving time and focusing more on what truly matters, educating and inspiring your students. Remember, technology is here to make our jobs easier and our impact more profound. Embracing these tools can transform your teaching experience and, by extension, the learning experience of your students. Thank you for joining me today. Whether you're new to Google Classroom or looking to refine your digital education skills, I hope this video guides you smoothly through the process of duplicating a class. Stay tuned for more educational technology tips and tricks. Happy teaching!